In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your deleted Facebook stories. Now, what you want to do is open up Facebook. So what you want to do is click on the bottom right and then open up your profile and then click on these three dots and then click on activity log. And from here, to see your stories, you actually need to have your stories pasted, but you can just type in the search story and you can see all of the information here, or you can just click like from here. But let's go with the story one. And as you can see, here are all of my activities when it comes to my stories. And that's it. So one more time, your activity across Facebook, and then click on stories. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.